I can pick up X amount of time. Because I'm not going to lie to you, there have been times where, Recap Mother Jones was going to do some hood, N-I-G-G-A-S-H-I-T. You know what I'm saying? We were going to do some hood to this ELD. I'm not going to lie. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on, YouTube?
That's why.
The host? Oh, okay. Little minor setback, you know what I'm saying? We were on the way to the money, but something always got to happen. But this come with the territory, YouTube. This come with the territory. I think it's gonna be a quick fix. All they had to do, because originally the tires was off the rim. Well, I figure all they really had to do was pop it back up. We're gonna see. I'll keep you all posted. We're about to come and have a conversation, damn it. It's a minor setback. So good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, boys and girls. Wake up and smell the money. Wake up and smell the money. So I woke up this morning. Do what I had to do, what I do best. Did my plate trip like you're supposed to. Check all tires on the tractor. And I did the same on the trailer. And then obviously I noticed a problem that's being done right now. One of the tires is off the rim. But sometimes that's how it gotta be. And sometimes that is why it's good to do your quick trip, ladies and gentlemen. It's tedious, it's annoying. No truckers really like doing a proper quick trip. But sometimes you're gonna catch things like this. Because it wasn't flat. It didn't look shredded, and nothing that stood up. Well, you gotta inspect it, So that's how we're able to cover it. And we should be rolling real quick. I hope you all have a great day. Blessed day. Let's get it. Oh, man. I told y'all that was just a minor setback. That was a minor setback, so I can explain that a little bit more since we're out of the mechanic. I had to go to Ryder, so I woke up this morning, obviously, me being the super trucker, the super damn trucker, the best damn trucker on the side of the Mississippi that I am. I did a thorough pre-trip. And I saw that this tire was damn near brand new. I was like, what is going on? Damn near brand new, but it lost air. So I was like, what is going on? You know what I'm saying? Like, what is going on out here in these trenches? You know what I'm saying? So I said, what is going on? Well, long story short, pretty much, the tire was in flat, just like I suspected. You know how they have that circulated valves, right? There we go with me. You know how they have the valves in them trailers that's supposed to circulate the air from one trailer to the other to make sure it's balanced, blah, 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 right? Well, that one was leaking, and therefore, that's why the trailer was off the damn tires. When I saw it, I was like, well, damn, boy. Well, damn, boy. There goes Ryder right now, They did their thing. I told them, I got to get to the money. Listen. I told him I've got to get to the money. Once again, shout out Island Boy Clothing. That boy got me looking right, looking bright. If I was home, I'd be getting freaky tonight. Or something, man. But anyways, they got me right, in and out. Bada bing, bada boom, ball. Still, we're going to be late to the money. We're going to be late to the money, man. One thing you got to know about trucking, you're going to get a minor setback for a major comeback. That is the name of the game. That's just how it is. That is just how it goes. A minor setback for a major comeback. Because yesterday, mine started, it's like a pattern, man. It's just a domino effect. So, yesterday I picked up a load that had a few stops. Yeah, that's right. Remember I told y'all, we are driving a dry van. making oil field money. We're driving a dry van to get oil field money. Yeah, so I started doing multi-stop. Now, don't get it twisted. I started getting multi-stop. Why? Because they got oil field miles. That is how you are able to make oil field money. You got to run like you in the oil field. I hope that ain't too confusing, but let's get back to it because my phone about to die. You know what I'm saying? My phone is about to die. But I did a pre-trip. The tire was damn near brand new, but it was off the rim. It turned out what it was. The valve that circulated the air was leaking, so that was a problem. And I took it in. Originally, you know, when I picked it up from the customer, I was like, hey, let me drive a few minutes. Maybe it will air up because I knew they had the valve in there. I figured it would just, nah, they did not air up. It just kept leaking. So I guess the valve wasn't working correctly or something. I don't know. But, so when he got in there, all he had to do was have that little air compressor and just, pah! You know what I'm saying? Pop it out. And then he changed the circulatory valve, the circulation valve. He would replace that. And now we're rolling. I mean, that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. So it's not going to be a long video. It's a short video. So now we're rolling. But I'm behind schedule because I had booked this load. I was supposed to pick this load up yesterday, right? I had booked it for yesterday. But when I got to one of my drops at my customer damn near took forever. My second, you know, multi-stop now, like I said, because we're trying to get oil field money while pulling a dry van. So that you're gonna have to do that now. Let's not be too damn good now for the money. Let's be smart out here, right? So on my second drop when I got there was like 4. They said, well, it's getting dark. We ain't gonna be able to unload your ass. I'm like, what you mean? It's getting dark, you ain't gonna be able to unload my ass. Like, yeah, you know, that's pretty much what we just said, Negro. We ain't gonna be able to unload your ass because it's getting dark. We ain't got a flashlight, blah, blah, blah. So because of that, I had to unload at that spot yesterday. You know what I'm saying? And then I had to come and get these mofo right here today. Well, because of that, I told them, hey, look, I'm not going to be able to pick this one up tomorrow or whatever, yesterday. So I need your push. But they said, well, you can come and pick it up on Saturday. You know, we were really hoping you drop it off on Saturday because that's why, once again, pulling the dry van, making oil field money. Let's not forget. So all my runs, like I've told you in the multiple videos, I'm going to try to keep them under 500 miles. So you can do all your runs, these oil field money runs within the day. So that's what I'm trying to do. So, but anyways, long story short, I wasn't able to come and get it last night because it was scheduled to pick up at like 3 o'clock or whatever. But I was still over at the other customer. So I got unloaded, drove close to this one. I took my break, 10-hour break, and then we're here. You know, and then that's just how we're here. You know, the Landstar trailer having a little issue or whatever, but we got to handle, man. We got to handle. Minor setback for a major comeback. That's all it is. You got to expect that kind of stuff, man. And I just started my clock, so it's good. You know, I was there, less than 30 minutes, give and take. So it didn't really affect me that much, but now we're rolling. Right now, we are rolling, you too. We are rolling. So I hope y'all having a blessed day right now. I hope y'all get to the money. I hope y'all get to the money, man. But minor setbacks gonna happen. Don't be discouraged. And there's nothing wrong, bro. There ain't a damn thing wrong with you calling the customer. Be like, look, man, I know I agree to pick this up, but this is what's going on. I can pick up X amount of time. Because I'm not gonna lie to you. There have been times where, you know, Recap Mother Jones was gonna do some hood, NIGGASHIT. You know what I'm saying? We were gonna do some hood to this ELD. I'm not gonna lie. Everybody have that time. But you gotta think about it, right? You got to think about it. When you get into the money, make smart decisions. Make smart decisions. Let the customer know, hey, this is what's going on. I can't pick it up at the assigned time, but I'm definitely gonna be on there as soon as I can. That's it. So this load, let me see. I think the customer said he's got about 2 drops. Once again, pulling the dry van, trying to make oil field money. This is what's gonna have to happen now. Some of y'all never been to the oil field, so you may not understand. But you gotta do multi-drops a day to get to that bag, okay? Multi-drops a day to get to that bag. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that, okay? So that's what we are out here doing. Multi-drops a day to get to that bag. Anyways, YouTube, we're rolling. So that's all that matters, baby. We're rolling. Y'all have a nice day, blessed day. You know what the deal is. You know what the deal is. The baddest man in the land. Oh, mama. There goes that man. YouTube, my videos are real. My videos are raw. My videos are authentic. You can't talk trucking without chasing Mr. Hamilton in it. Yes, sir. YouTube. I'm out.